The Volvo YCC was a concept car made by Volvo Cars presented at the 2004 Geneva Motor Show, with the stated goal of meeting the particular needs of female drivers. In order to do so, Volvo assembled a design team entirely made up of women around October 2001. It was a major exercise in ergonomics from the perspective of a female driver. Those who were involved during the several stages of the project were Maria Waddell Christensen, Eva Lisa Anderson, Elna Holmberg, Maria Ugla, Camilla Palmertz, Cynthia Charwick, Anna Rosen, Lena Ekeland, and Tatyana Butovich-Tem. On the outside, the car looked, at first glance, like a mildly futuristic four-seat coupe. On closer inspection, one could see that there was no hood, that is, no access panel permitting access to the car's engine. Engine maintenance required taking out the whole front end of the car body, preferably in some establishment with the required space and equipment. This was not supposed to happen often, as the engine was designed to need an oil change only after 50,000 kilometers and to automatically send a radio message to a garage a short time before any required maintenance. Filling the windshield washer tank was done by a capless ball valve right next to the capless gas tank ball valve. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.